Welcome back, guys. Myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur, and in this video we are going to discuss about if you want to register a partnership business in Maharashtra. So this video is going to be very helpful for you, and if you want to start your business in partnership mode, this video is going to be very helpful. And in this video, I will discuss the practical process of partnership from registration in Maharashtra and as well as the documents required for the registration. In addition to that, the what are the processes involved in registration of firm, and what's the procedure in register your firm. So it's a very good we can say mode for starting the new business. Partnership is a very good mode of business if you want to run a business with multiple persons. Let's start the video, and we will discuss first step by step process for registration of firm. In first step, you have to visit on the website www.rof.maharashtra.gov and register on it. Uh, click click create on user ID, and you have to register as a advocate or as a individual as per your status, right? And fill the respective details as required, your name, address, email ID, etc., and register yourself on the screen which give you a password, right? After that, you raise a form A application for registration. Then in click on the inform management tab and click on form A. You have to file the form A for registration of partnership firm in Maharashtra, and fill the all information related: partnership name, business address, etc. Fill the column in Marathi properly by conversion in Marathi, right? After that, providing service, one should type Seva Pravina. It's mean you have to mention all the services or the activities which you done after the registration of the firm. Okay. After that, following documents should be attached along with the application for registration, right? Certified true copy of partnership deed, certified true copy of Marathi translation of partnership deed. It must be certified by CEO or advocate, both document, and blank stamp paper for 10 rupees in name of partner or in name of firm. Authority letter signed by all the partnership documents are submitted by CEO document, advocate. Covering letter with 5 rupees court fee stamp and demand draft for rupees of 1600 in favor of registrar of firm of your area, because registrar of firms is departed with the as per the area of the um, uh, Maharashtra state, right? So this is the whole documents which you need to attach along with the application, and thereafter click on the submit tab. After that, take a printout of form A on a green ledger paper, right? It's mean you have to take the print of form A on a green ledger paper, which is easily available on the stationery shop, right? You have to purchase and take the print on that paper, right? Sign before the designated authority like notary, and submit the attested form along with all the above documents. And address for the registrar of firms Maharashtra state is given is below, and after that, document will be verified by the officer which is sitting in the registrar of firms, right? This is the whole process for registration of the uh, partnership firm in Maharashtra. If you have any doubt related to registration, then you can connect us. And uh, thanks for watching the video. And if you have any doubt related to partnership or registration in any state, you can connect us and on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much. And you have any doubt related to import export and GST and company compliances and litigation matters, so you can also contact with us. Thank you very much for watching this video.